Hey guys, wanna win sugar products worth rupees 2000? Well, then you have to watch this video till the end to know about it. That's it for today. So guys, here's the time for the surprise. All you have to do is keep showering us with all your love by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on our channel, and we will pick a lucky winner every single week as the fan, and you will be getting some exciting sugar products. So keep the comments and likes coming. Good luck!